Wow, look at this place, Ken. It is so big. There are people everywhere.
Yes, it is very busy today. Welcome to the airport, Sarah.
It's exciting. I love traveling. But I always forget, how do you say airport in Japanese?
Ah, the airport. In Japanese, we say Kuukou. Kuukou. This Kuukou is very beautiful, isn't it? Kuukou.
Kuukou. Okay, I got it. We are at the Kuukou. But Ken, wait, can you help me?
What is wrong?
My bag, it is so heavy. I packed too many clothes. What do you call this rolling bag in Japanese?
Ah, I see. That is a suitcase. In Japanese, Suutsukeesu. Your Suutsukeesu is very heavy, Sarah. Suutsukeesu.
Suutsukeesu. That sounds almost like English.
Yes, many words are similar. It is easy to remember. Here, let me help you with your Suutsukeesu.
Oh, thank you. You are so strong.
No, it is just heavy. Okay, let's go check in.
Okay, we are at the counter. I'm a little nervous. I always feel nervous at the counter.
Relax, it is okay. Do you have your document, the blue book?
Oh, you mean my passport?
Yes, the passport. In Japanese, it is Pasupooto. Please show me your Pasupooto. Pasupooto.
Pasupooto. That is cute. It sounds soft. Pasupooto. Here it is.
Good. Don't lose it. It is very important.
I will hold it tight. Oh, look at the screen. That is our flight, right?
Yes, that is our airplane.
How do you say airplane? Is it aeroplane?
No, not this time. Airplane is Hikouki.
The Hikouki is very fast. Hikouki. Hikouki. Hikouki.
Perfect. Imagine if I missed the Hikouki. That would be bad.
Very bad. But we are on time. We have plenty of time. Ugh, security check. I hate this part. I always have to take off my shoes.
It is necessary for safety.
I know. Wait, what is shoes in Japanese?
Shoes are Kutsu. Please take off your Kutsu here. Kutsu.
Kutsu. Okay, goodbye, Kutsu. See you on the other side.
And your watch, too.
Oh, right. And my water bottle. I have to finish my water.
Yes, no liquids allowed.
What is water? This is a basic one, right?
Very basic. Water is mizu. Would you like some cold mizu? Mizu.
Mizu. Okay, I will drink all my mizu now. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Ah, all gone.
Good job. Now we can go through.
We made it! We're through security. And look, we have 1 hour before we fly.
Yes, we have time. Jikan.
Jikan means time?
Yes, time is jikan. We have plenty of free jikan now. Jikan.
Good, because I need energy. I need caffeine. Let's get a coffee.
Coffee sounds good.
How do you say coffee?
This one is easy. It is kohi. Kohi.
I love the long sound at the end. Kohi. Let's go to that shop over there. This is hot.
Careful, it is hot. In Japanese, hot is atsui. The kohi is very atsui. Atsui.
Atsui. Yes, very atsui. But delicious.
Yes, delicious is oishii. This coffee is really oishii. Oishii.
Oishii. That's a fun word to say. Oishii. Ken, look at that shop. They have so many cute things. I need to buy a gift for my sister.
Ah, a souvenir. That is nice of you. What is souvenir? Souvenir is omiyage. Omiyage.
Let's buy some chocolate for an omiyage.
Omiyage.
Omiyage. I want to find the perfect omiyage. Oh, look at this red box. It's beautiful.
It is nice, but look at the price tag.
Whoa, that is expensive.
Yes, it is expensive. In Japanese, takai. That omiyage is too takai. Takai.
You're right. Too takai. I don't love my sister that much. Just kidding.
Let's find something cheaper. How about these cookies?
Perfect. Not takai, and they look oishii.
Exactly.
Okay, I bought the cookies. We have about 20 minutes left.
Sarah, do you need to go to the bathroom before the flight?
Oh, good idea. The airplane bathrooms are so small. What is bathroom or toilet?
It is toire. Where is the toire? Toire.
Toire. That's easy. It sounds like toilet.
Yes, very close. The toire is over there, near the gate.
Okay, I'll be right back. Hold my Suutsukeesu, please.
Okay, I will wait here with the luggage.
I'm back. And look, the people are lining up.
Ah, yes, it is time. What is ticket again? I need to get it ready. Ticket is chiketto. Please hold your chiketto in your hand. Chiketto.
Chiketto in one hand, Pasupooto in the other. I am ready.
You are very organized, Sarah.
I try my best.
Okay, let's walk to the gate.
I'm so excited to get on the Hikouki. Japan, here we come.
Yes, it will be a good trip.
Thank you for helping me, Ken.
You are welcome. Or as we say, do itashimashite. Do itashimashite.
That is a long one. Do itashimashite.
Perfect. You are learning fast.
Thank you. Or arigato.
Arigato. Okay, let's go. Goodbye, airport.
Goodbye. Or sayonara?
Yes. Sayonara. See you soon. Sayonara.